Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. To beat the hot summers, let's make a lovely chilling cool milkshake but a healthy one at the same time. Here I have 1 tablespoon of ragi flour. Ragi is finger millet. Now to this I'll add about 1/4 cup of water and just mix it without any lumps. See, we have mixed it without any lumps. Here I have 1 cup of water. Now we'll just wait till it starts boiling. The water is hot, it is just beginning to boil. Now reduce the flame and add this ragi mixed in water and continue stirring it and cook it till it is just for about 2 to 3 minutes. You will find it thickening. See, it is now again beginning to come to a boil and it has also thickened. This is the consistency which we want. Now we can switch this off. Remove it from the stove and allow it to cool. When it is still warm, add some cocoa powder. Today I am adding this hot chocolate mix to it. Hot chocolate or cocoa powder, whatever you have at home, you can add. Children will just love the flavor. So when you add when it is warm, it will mix easily with it. You've got a lovely chocolatey color too. Now allow it to cool very well. Meanwhile, here I have soaked about 3 to 4 dates. Remove the seeds and soak them to make them soft. Also, I had soaked some badam or almond in hot water. So you can just remove the peel easy like this now. And we'll add it also to the dates. Now we'll add these peeled almonds to the dates in the blender jar. About 3 or 4 of the soaked and peeled almonds I have sliced and kept aside to use as a topping later. First we'll grind this date and almond to a paste. No need to add any water, just crush it. If you have tiny bits, no problem, it will taste good when you drink the milkshake to have those tiny crunchy bits. To this you add this cooled ragi which we have added the cocoa powder or hot chocolate also to it. Now top it up with some chilled milk as much as required. You can take half to 1 cup. Now we will blend it all together for a lovely, tasty and healthy milkshake. For me, the sweetness of the dates is sufficient, but if you want it still sweeter, you can add a teaspoon of jaggery powder to it and blend it once again. Now carefully pour out your healthy ragi milkshake. See, lovely creamy ragi milkshake. Add some of this reserved badam slices on top. Badam, that is almonds. And whatever chocolate you have at home, you can just grate some of the chocolate on top. One small tip, when you add the dates, add the water in which it was soaked also. That will really add to the sweetness too. And you can enjoy this healthy ragi chocolate flavored milkshake and share it with your family and friends and enjoy all the health benefits. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen and we'll meet again with another interesting episode from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.